So guys, this is a new air filter which is going to be changed. So yeah. So first thing, we'll just open the bonnet. So first just open the bonnet, and so this is the air filter thing. So what we'll do is just take this out. This is the accelerator cable. So just take this out and keep this loose, and there's first thing we have to remove this. So what you have to do is just push it back, and there it comes out. And the other thing is there's two lock. There's one and one on the side. So just push it back and it comes out pretty easy. And there's one lock inside. So you just have to pull it out and there it comes out. So yeah. Push it back and there it comes out. So this is the air filter, which is not in a very good condition. So how dirty it is. And this is the thing, you can just clean this. So this is the new air filter which we're gonna put. That's the difference. Up closely. So just make sure this rubber go inside properly. So it should go inside this thing. And now once it's inside, just put it back. See, once the lock is inside, just push it back and lock it. There it goes inside. The other thing is we just have to put this back to the workpiece, and that's it. And the other lock is inside, and just put this thing back and put this thing inside.